Welcome to DNA Auto House. We're here to present to you this 67 plate Volkswagen Golf GTI Performance. Finished in Indium grey, this car comes with a high factory specification but also benefits from some cosmetic upgrades. Those including a Maxton design splitter kit, which includes a gloss black front splitter, side skirts, gloss black rear spoiler and a gloss black rear diffuser. This vehicle also comes with a glass sliding panoramic sunroof and is also finished in the 18-inch diamond cut Parker alloys, which are 5-spoke with gloss black inlays. As part of the factory specification, the GTI comes with radar guided adaptive cruise control. The exterior splitter kit is completed at the rear of the vehicle with a gloss black rear spoiler lip and also aggressive gloss black rear diffuser, which sits just alongside those chrome exhaust tips. This vehicle also has a reversing camera and also benefits from a full Volkswagen service history, and also includes a service plan which runs all the way through to May 2027. Onto the interior of the GTI, and we have the virtual cockpit, the leather flat bottom multifunction steering wheel, the Discover Pro touchscreen infotainment system along with a DSG gearbox, glass sliding panoramic sunroof, and also the iconic Titan and red jacara cloth interior.